Oh, what's going on, everybody? It's NFL boy Brandon.
Mike on the Fly TV.
This is the second video that we're doing in consecutive days together.
Yep.
Nice to have you on the channel. No, I'm fine.
Let's take a thumbnail.
We've done a lot of collabs together. Actually, how many have we done? We've done about 6 or 7. Something like that. I'm not sure, though. All right, but yeah, as you can see, before we take a thumbnail, we're going to be eating some spicy noodles. I got 2 of the 2-ets, 2 of the cheese, and I got these black ones that I've never had before. I took a very small bite off the fork, and it's hot as shit, so. All right, but let's get a thumbnail in. All right, I think that's a good thumbnail. Let's get in there, baby.
Oh, God, someone's
Hang on, let me scoot in.
This is
probably
going to be hot.
It is pretty hot. Oh. Ooh, that is fucking hot. Oh, my lips.
I don't think, yeah.
It's hot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Woo! I don't know what the hell Grandma was screaming about, but hold on, let me go close the door.
The door. Yeah, the dog. My bad.
Come on, would you shut the heck up and make this video? What the freak? Really? The door just came right back open. There we go. Alright.
Okay.
What are you thinking so far? Hot as shit?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying too.
See, my sister said I can come whenever.
Oh, okay, cool. What are you going up there for? Are you going up there to babysit or just grab your stuff?
I'm grabbing my shampoo.
This is hot, but this is hand down. This is hot, but I think Mike would agree with me. This is hot.
I think it's not as hot than the other noodles, I don't think.
What?
Than the other ones.
2-ets?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. I mean, 2-ets is in here. Basically, what's in here is 2-ets noodles, 1 pack of the 2-ets noodles, 1 pack of the cheese noodles, and 1 pack of the black noodles. I don't know what the heck they're called. They're chicken flavor. But I think Mike can agree with me here. These are hot. But these are by far the best ramen noodles I've ever had. You like them?
Shit.
Would you agree or disagree with that?
I have to agree.
These are hot as shit, but they're good as shit. Kitty, would you shut the heck up?
That's funny.
Oh, by the way, you guys could probably tell, got my hair cut today.
I actually like it.
Yeah. I went to the Great Clips over there on Pimlico, and that woman was the best.
That done it.
Yeah, she was the best hairstylist I've ever had. She actually, you know how most people, when I tell them I want a man bun, they look at me stupid? She didn't do that. And she also,
most people probably get that.
She also told me shit, that I never knew before. And she said that she said my haircut was right up her alley because she actually liked exotic haircuts. And she said, man bun is a little exotic.
See, still hairstylists like supposed to be like that. Because they do hair and stuff.
Well, then she also started telling me different shit and shit too, and I didn't know
about it.
Yeah, she started telling me why I had those little hairs. You know how I had little hairs?
Mm-hmm.
She was telling me why I had those. Mm-hmm. And then she told me not to put my hair up in that ponytail with the plastic wrapped around it anymore, because all it's doing is ripping my hair out.
Oh, damn.
And then she told me, like, all different types of shit that I never knew before.
And the cotton thing, too?
Huh?
Did she say, like, the cotton,
She said to use the cotton because something about how it will actually support my hair.
Are you talking about, what women use mostly?
No.
Oh.
It's hair bows. Or not hair bows, hair band. Whatever freak they're called.
Yeah.
Bands that you put your hair up with.
Yeah, I know what
Except for, you know how they have the one and then it has that plastic piece wrapped around it? Huh?
Mm-hmm.
They have this one that's just like it, but it has cotton wrapped around it instead of plastic.
Oh, wow.
And she told me to use the cotton one. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie. This is good as shit, but it is burning the shit out of my lips right now. What about you?
Same.
Oh. By the way, bro, I don't know if you want me to say this on on video or not, but you gotta...
Oh, no.
You know what I'm talking about?
Oh my gosh.
No, I'm talking about...
I know what you're talking about, yeah.
What?
Who knows?
Yeah. You got one up there.
Hold on.
If you want to step away...
I had to get a toilet paper werewolf.
Oh, okay. How you supposed to do it? What the fuck? You got UK... Hell no. He got UK basketball shorts on. My lips. This is hot as shit. Now, this isn't a race or anything. It's not see who could win or anything like I did with Beck. This is just a mukbang. So I went to the store, bought all that. That shit was high price too. That shit wasn't cheap. That shit ended up being 24, or not 24. It ended up being $41 for all that. Just close it real gently. Yeah, there you go. Did you hear what I just said though? Huh? For all these fucking for all those packs of noodles in there, that shit cost me $41.
Damn.
Yeah.
That's better. I know what you were talking about now.
Yeah. I didn't want to say it and be rude or anything, so.
It's alright.
Oh, these fucking noodles are hot. Mike's actually hanging in here longer than I thought he would. I thought he would take one bite and be like, alright, I'm done. Fuck that shit. That's too hot.
It is a little hot, but I don't think it's that hot like the other one.
You know why mine's hotter? Because it got the juice in it, and the juice makes it hotter. No. Yours doesn't have any juice. You know?
No.
I can't eat my ramen noodles without juice, but I fucking hate eating these noodles. I mean, I freaking hate eating these noodles with juice because it makes it hotter.
They're mowing the lawn down now.
Yeah,
you can hear it.
Oh. My God, my nose is running.
might go get me milk instead. Shit. Fuck that.
You've only took 2 bites, you bitch.
Milk is probably better with these.
Well, yeah.
It's supposed to do.
I'm already almost done with mine. Look how much I got.
Yeah, you like spicy shit, though.
Yeah, no.
Me, I'm not used to that. Rob's the same way. He likes spicy.
Does he?
Like, nope, I'm good.
I was actually, when I called you, I was actually expecting you to tell me no, that you didn't want to do it. But then you was like, hell yeah. I was like, alright, come on now, man.
Yeah, I love doing videos, actually.
Yeah, I called him after I got this, when I was going to make the video. I called him, I was like, bro, you want to come on down and make a video? He was like, what video? I was like, we're going to eat some spicy noodles. Yeah. He was like, hell yeah. I thought he was going to say no, but he was like, hell yeah. I was like, alright, come on down there.
Hell no, like.
Yeah, jeez.
Yeah, I have a fucked up hairline.
No, when I say that to you, you know I'm just playing with you. I don't actually mean that.
Well, if I was, I would be able
But
to
see, what we were supposed to do is, I was supposed to be rocking this all summer. And I'm going to be rocking it winter too. But I was supposed to be rocking this all summer. And he was supposed to be rocking a damn mohawk, but the bitch chickened out. What the fuck happened to the mohawk, bitch?
My mom fucked it up, so I said fuck it, like.
Yeah, but you could have let it grow back out and then did it again and told her not to fuck it up this time.
My sister I don't have my mom cut anymore. I have my sister does it now. Like, fuck that. Like, my mom, literally, my mom's
not having
blind.
the mom do it anymore.
My mom's blind, by the way. She can't see worth of shit. Wait, so you're not blind, so you have to have glasses?
Yes, okay, there you go. I was about to say, elaborate on that because your mom's not actually blind. She just can't see all that well.
Yeah, she can't. See, I mean...
Well, I personally don't know that. I just know that from him. That's what I'm saying. Okay, I'm almost done with mine. I'm definitely going to be able to complete this. But, hold on.
You want some too, don't you?
Give me some milk too. Oh, come on, baby. I don't know. It keeps on coming open though. Oh my God, it is so hot. Oh, that skylight's beautiful in the background. Guys, my hair, it's so much cooler not carrying around a freaking pound of hair. I don't think I'm gonna let my hair grow out like that anymore. Fuck that. I'm gonna keep it like this. And then as soon as it starts getting long again, going back, cutting it again. Oh my God, this is so hot. Yeah, I'm glad Pap told us that, yo. Because I think he was right. To split it instead of cooking those other 3 pads. Because I don't think I would have been able to eat those other 3 pats or all those noodles.
I think milk tastes a lot better. I know I don't like milk, but fuck it.
But yeah, when you're eating spicy shit, that's about all that cools it down. It's hot. I mean, it's milk. I love milk. I don't drink it as much as I used to, but I still love it.
The only milk
I need to start drinking milk again because milk is what makes your bones strong and shit. I don't drink it as much.
I always hated milk, so. But still. Well, the only milk I like is chocolate milk and strawberry milk.
I still think those make your bones strong, but I think it makes your bones more stronger when you drink white milk than chocolate or strawberry.
Because chocolate milk and strawberry milk is pretty much have sugar in it.
Yeah. This is hot as shit, but I'm almost done, thankfully. Look how close I am.
But your door is something else. I don't know about it.
Huh?
Your doors keep opening.
Yeah, I know. I don't understand why the fuck that keeps on opening. Oh my god. What are you thinking so far? Hot as shit? I told you, the further you get into it, the more hot it gets. And just imagine if you would have had the one with the fucking water in it. That fucking juice makes it 10 times more hotter. Alright, now that was a little over exaggerating, but still it makes it pretty hot. Look, bitch, if you're gonna throw up, go the fuck over there.
No wonder why I don't like milk now.
What the fuck are you almost throwing up for?
Yeah.
The hotness?
I could do that now.
What the fuck almost made you throw up?
I don't know. Probably the taste of that.
The milk?
Uh-huh.
Oh, hell no. Alright guys, well I guess you're just watching me now. I'm literally so close to being done. And that right there is why they tell you never to suck in while having hot shit in your mouth, because the spice will get to you. Oh.
Yeah, you like the spicy. I don't know how to see it.
Damn it. Done. Are you done with yours?
Yeah.
Alright, anyways, we're out of here. If you haven't already, please subscribe to me. I'm getting so close to 600 I think we're at 553, 554, somewhere in there. So yeah, got plenty more content coming for you guys. By the way, this is 2 videos that we've done together now, and neither one of them has been uploaded. So like I said, plenty more content coming for you guys. And also, I will be live this Saturday doing Saturday Night Main Event. And then WrestleMania will be either August 16th or August 23rd. Oh, by the way, October 22nd, WrestleMania, or not WrestleMania, what the hell, WWE 2K20 comes out. So I'm excited for that. But yeah, anyways, you got anything you want to say? Oh yeah, make sure and remember to share out this video.
And like the thumbs up if you like it.
Yeah, hit it with a thumbs up if you like it as well. Is that all you got?
And we're out of here.
Peace.